Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Greenhouse. I hope all of you are good. Today I'm going to show you various beautiful designing ideas for your garden, and here are multiple designs that you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch or yard. Splashes of color break up green, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers, for example, cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme. Create a collection of plants with the same flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I will always try to bring very useful and very beautiful garden ideas. And if you like my video, then please share it with your family members. Designing a beautiful garden involves careful planning, creativity, creativity, and harmonious blend of various elements. Here's a detailed guide on how to design a beautiful garden. Firstly, you need to define your goals, determine the purpose of your garden, whether it's for relaxation, entertaining, or growing plants. Site analysis is another aspect which you have to evaluate. Assess your garden's location considering factors like sunlight, soil quality, drainage, and climate. And then design, plan. Sketch your garden layout taking into account pathways, seating areas, and focal points. And then choose a style. Decide on a garden style that reflects your preferences, such as formal, informal, cottage, Japanese, or modern. Choose a variety of plants, including trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals. Consider their color, size, and seasonal interest. Then you have to decide plant placement. Arrange plants according to their growth habits, with taller ones in the back and smaller ones in the front. Hardscaping. Incorporate hardscape elements like pathways, patios, walls, and decorative features. Use materials that complement your garden style. Focal points are those that include eye-catching focal points like sculptures, water features, or unique plants. Color and texture is another aspect of garden which is very important that you have to consider. Play with color combinations and textures to create visual interest. Group plants with similar colors or contrast them for impact, balance, and proportion. Maintain a sense of balance and proportion in your design, ensuring that no single element dominates the space. Seasonal interest. Play for your Play for year-round wheel by selecting plants that bloom or change colors in different seasons. Maintenance is the most important part to keep your garden fresh and eye-catching. Consider the level of maintenance you are willing to commit to. Low maintenance gardens may be more suitable for someone. Lighting. Incorporate outdoor lighting to extend the garden's usability into the evening and create a magical ambience. Sustainability. Option for eco-friendly practices like water-wise gardening, composting, and using native plants to support local wildlife. Personal touch. Add personal touches such as garden ornaments, decorative pots, or custom seating to make the garden uniquely yours. Create wildlife habits, attract birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects by planting nectar-rich flowers and providing bird feeders and water sources. Garden paths. Design attractive pathways that lead visitors through the garden and connect different areas. Garden furniture. Select outdoor furniture that complements the garden style and provide comfortable seating for relaxation. Remember that designing a beautiful garden is a creative and evolving process. Experiment, learn, and adopt your garden over time to achieve the desired aesthetics and functionality.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on